Now, when it comes to smoking meat, it normally entails huge equipment, huge amounts of pellets, and huge amounts of smoke. GE, however, thinks it can do all of that indoors. Yes, it's invented an indoor smoker. This is the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker, and it actually started life as a repurposed refrigerator. It then hit crowdfunding and managed to generate $800,000, and then GE decided to make it into an actual product. But CES is where it's making its physical debut if you weren't one of those early Kickstarter backers. Let's take a closer look. Now, obviously, the most important thing when it comes to the idea of having a smoker indoors in your house is, where does the smoke go? Well, it actually just sticks into the machine. Apparently, there's pretty much a catalytic converter like you have on your cars built into the back of the machine. So after you're done smoking your meats or your cream cheese or whatever you decide to smoke, at the back, that smoke will get reprocessed and then eventually is just emitted as warm air. Industry term there, warm air. And maybe it's because I'm the token Brit on staff, but I consider smoking a very difficult, complicated, high-end cooking technique. And I think this machine is probably built for idiots like me. Not only are there 6 pre-settings for the likes of chicken, fish, and brisket, you'll also be able to even choose the level of smokiness. There are apparently 5 different levels here, and that will tinker with exactly how much of smoke is let into the system. An important difference between an indoor smoker like this and more typical outdoor smokers is those pellets are only really used for flavor. You're not exactly fueling the cooking here. This is GE, of course, so it uses electricity. Now, of course, this is a smart indoor smoker, so there's a companion app, there's a companion cookbook, and there's plenty of sensors to make sure you can monitor that brisket without having to interrupt the cooking process. Now, usually in these videos, this is the point where we go, let's see how it tastes, but unfortunately, due to catering rules here at CES, they're not actually allowed to serve cooked brisket on the show floor. So we're just going to have to imagine how it tastes. Yeah, tastes pretty smoky. If you're intrigued and if you actually want to figure out how good that brisket might taste, the indoor smoker is now on sale for $999. For more on everything else here at CES, make sure to check out the Engadget YouTube channel and Engadget.com.